Adobe Lightroom and Affinity Photos serve different creative needs. Lightroom focuses on efficient photo organization and non-destructive editing, ideal for photographers. Affinity Photo is a comprehensive pixel editor suited for detailed retouching and graphic work. The core difference lies in workflow versus detailed manipulation. Adobe Lightroom is a photo editing and management tool designed to simplify organizing and enhancing large photo collections. It operates with a non-destructive editing approach, meaning your original images remain untouched while edits are saved separately. Lightroom's interface emphasizes speed and ease, allowing users to apply presets, adjust exposure, color balance, and other global adjustments quickly. Its cloud integration supports syncing across devices, making it convenient for photographers on the go. Strengths include intuitive cataloging, batch processing, and seamless RAW support, which makes it ideal for professional and hobbyist photographers who need to manage thousands of images efficiently. However, Lightroom lacks advanced pixel-level editing tools like layers or detailed retouching, which limits its use for complex image manipulation. Its subscription-based pricing might also be a consideration for some users. Overall, Lightroom suits photographers prioritizing fast, organized workflows and consistent photo enhancement. Affinity Photo is a powerful photo editor built for detailed image manipulation and creative compositing. Unlike Lightroom, it provides pixel-level control with features such as layers, masks, advanced selection tools, and retouching capabilities comparable to Photoshop. Affinity Photo supports a broad range of file formats including RAW and offers precise color correction, HDR merging, and panorama stitching. Its one-time purchase model is appealing for users looking to avoid subscriptions. The interface is robust but may require a learning curve for beginners. Strengths include advanced retouching, layer effects, and flexible export options, making it perfect for graphic designers, photographers who want creative freedom, and artists working on detailed edits. Limitations arise in workflow management as it lacks Lightroom's cataloging and photo organization features, which can be cumbersome for handling large photo libraries. Affinity Photo is best suited for users needing comprehensive editing tools beyond standard photo adjustments. Choosing between Lightroom and Affinity Photo depends on your workflow and editing needs. Lightroom excels in managing extensive photo libraries with fast, non-destructive edits and cloud syncing, ideal for photographers who prioritize organization and batch processing. Affinity Photo, on the other hand, shines in detailed pixel-level editing with advanced retouching and compositing tools, perfect for creatives requiring full control over image manipulation. Lightroom's limitation is its lack of advanced editing features, while Affinity Photo lacks integrated photo management, which can slow down workflows for large collections. For example, a wedding photographer with thousands of images will benefit from Lightroom's speed and cataloging, whereas a graphic artist retouching portraits or creating composites will find Affinity Photo more suitable. Both tools complement each other but serve distinct purposes. Choose Adobe Lightroom if you need efficient photo organization, quick edits, and seamless cloud syncing tailored for photographers managing large image libraries. Opt for Affinity Photo when advanced pixel editing, creative retouching, and detailed image manipulation are your priorities. It offers powerful tools for artists and photographers who want full control without subscription fees. Both editors excel in their domains, so select based on your specific editing style and workflow needs.